God dang it, IWX.
1 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over London, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Monroe, Bern, and Geneva. For your protection, note to carry a room on the lowest floor of the building. This is NOAA Weather Radio Station. The National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Lee County and east central Indiana until 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Geneva or near Bern, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Westchester, Bryant, Trinity, and New Corridon. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties: J, Indiana. Mercer County until 6:45 p.m. At 6:45 p.m., the is located over Geneva, at 25 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and half-dollar-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles if possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Salina, Coldwater, St. Henry, Fort Recovery, Wabash, Chickasaw, Montezuma, Chattanooga, Carthagena, and Mariastein. You're listening to NOAA Weather, All Hazards Radio, WXJ93, Lima, Ohio, originating from the National Weather Service Office in Wilmington, Ohio. We have interrupted our regular programming as severe weather is affecting our listening area. This watch includes the following counties: and the waters of Lake Erie from the islands to Vermilion, Ohio. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. You're listening to NOAA Weather, All Hazards Radio, WXJ93, Lima, Ohio, originating from the National Weather Service Office in Wilmington, Ohio. We have interrupted our regular programming as severe weather is affecting our listening area. Now looking at the weather patterns affecting the southern Great Lakes and Ohio Valley region. Cold front from the north provides scattered showers and storms through Thursday night. Our National Weather Service times and ability to see a thunderstorm Monday night. Harbor on Ottawa County in the northwestern Ohio. North Jersey and McCounty County, northwestern Ohio. Chance of showers in Jackson County in northwestern Ohio until 8:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Tuesday, 7:20 cloudy Eastern Daylight Time. Chance of showers or thunderstorm with located scores in the lower 60s. Chance of winds at 40 miles per hour. Wednesday, for the mostly sunny part of Washington, mild cloudy. Highs in the lower 80s, hail and 60 miles per hour, partly cloudy. Source in the lowest weather spotters. Thursday, there have been numerous reports of large hail in the other 70 thunderstorms over parts of Ottawa and the 70 counties. Weather conditions in climate, people and animals, and noise were reported. Temperature was 75 degrees, citing windows, cloudy, and vehicles. 79. Expect hail and partly sunny in power line. Locally fair at 79, Sandusky at 12 and 7 miles, western Vermilion, Phoenix, 478, Bellevue, Incline, Park Harbor, and 47 Springs, over north mile Ohio, Cleveland, cloudy, and Cannon Valley, Mobile, 1 I-17, Monroeville, the one Marble, Allen, Berlin Airport. It was 74 degrees with thunder and shade. Area room on the lower floor of the building is a special weather station of thunderstorm before the following Memorial, Ohio. Always storm show area. A strong thunderstorm warning has been issued from all the ways in southeastern Daylight Time to follow at 30 p.m. in Ohio. 36 for on and Ottawa. Strong thunderstorm was located near cold water, moving east at 25 miles an hour. Hazard wind gusts up to 40 miles an hour. Thunderstorm watch. This watch includes the following counties in Ohio. In the waters of the Superior and Island Secret of Ohio. In Ohio, remember, a severe thunderstorm watch and weather conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damage or the heat of count and close to watch area. Northwestern Ohio, southeastern and rapidly northwest Ohio until 8:15 for later state daylight possible warnings. At 7:30, stay tuned to know weather radio, commercial radio, and television outlets. Tornado was orchestrated over now 50 miles southwest of Sandusky. Now lives south of weather 100 miles per hour. Southern Great Lakes and the Ohio Valley of the western seaboard of County also from the north provide scattered showers and storms. Tornado and golf ball sign forecast trends dry on Friday radar and high pressure building in. Dry decline is wind will persist over Wisconsin. Shifts are bringing chances for rain Sunday night into Monday and or destroyed. Now here is the official National Weather Service forecast. Vehicles will west central Ohio. Tree damage overnight likely mostly cloudy. This tornadic thunderstorm will thunderstorm over likely rural areas of northern and exhaust showers with a slight thunderstorm southeastern Sandusky out in the lower 50s. The following location southwest winds 5 miles an hour becoming northwest. Chance of rain 90%. Friday mostly cloudy and special. Wednesday. Seneca County, northeastern Hancock County, until 8:30 p.m. A severe thunderstorm was located near Eagle, northern Australia, moving east at 60 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles if possible. Expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Fostoria, Louisville, Arcadia, New Regal, Attica, Republic, and Bascom. Now here is the official National Weather Service forecast for West Central Ohio. Overnight, mostly cloudy. Showers with thunderstorms likely early this evening, then a chance of showers with a slight chance of thunderstorms. Lows in the lower 50s. Southwest wind. Seneca County, southeastern Wood County, northeastern Hancock County, 50 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles if possible. Expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Findlay, Tiffin, Fostoria, Bellevue, Green Springs, Bloomville, Arcadia, Attica, Bloomville, Bettsville, Republic, Jerry City, West Mill Grove, Bairdstown, Flat Rock, Bascom, and Kansas. Now here is the official National Weather Service forecast for West Central Ohio. Overnight, mostly cloudy. Showers with thunderstorms likely early this evening, then a chance of showers with a slight chance of thunderstorms. Lows in the lower 50s. Southwest winds 5 to 10 miles an hour, becoming northwest.
Oh my god, phone. Hang on.
At 9:22 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near coast to Shawnee to 6 miles east of Bucyrus, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Thunderstorm watch hazard to 60 miles per hour.
This is the radio station.
Source, radar indicated. Impact and minor damage to vehicles if possible. Expect damage to trees and power lines.
This is the radio station.
That's why Crawford County's in it. Figure out why you're not going off. That's why.
On the lowest floor of the building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Ashland, Crawford, Holmes, Morrow, Richland, and Wayne.